Happy Makeup Friday, guys. Decided to try something a little bit different for the filming of today's video. Really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So we're just going to start by blending Oktoberfest by Coastal Scents right above my crease. I'm going to be using this as a transition shade. It's one of my favorite transition shades. Next, I'm gonna just start blending in, I believe I'm using Violetta by Coastal Scents. I'm working on adding like a smoky purple look to this. So I'm mixing Violetta as well as CM07 and M17. To deepen the corners, I'm using Crave by Urban Decay in the Naked Basics palette. And I'm just gonna blend in that in the outer corners just to deepen them. This is a really quick look to do. I just really worked on making sure that I had the darkness I wanted in my outer corners. Now I'm just gonna block out my lid so that I can add in a lid shade. And I mixed the LA Girl concealer in the white shade as well as the AOA concealer that I picked up in my Shop Miss A haul. The link will be in the description. I find that the AOA one was very sticky, so it accepts product, but it's very hard to spread out. That's why I added in a little bit of that white concealer from LA Girl. Okay, then I put on the lid, and apparently I'm missing a clip, but I put Desert Sunset by Naked Cosmetics on my lid, which is a very muted peachy tone. So you ever not wear foundation for a really long time and then you can never remember why, and you put it on and you look like a Oompa Loompa, and then you remember why you don't ever wear it? That happened today. Don't have time to take it off. So we're gonna roll with this. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make Oompa Loompa tea work. Now I'm just using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in 70. I'm not sure what the new number is, but this is the one right up from the, well, used to be the one right up from the deep golden that I usually use. I'm blending this out on my orange face. And then I'm going to add in some of my favorite deep golden. Like after foundation, this kind of just, I don't know what happened in my life at this point. But yeah, that's just me adding in the deep golden, and I'm gonna use that and hope that it helps to brighten up the center of my face, unlike the 70 before. Let me know how you guys like this angle. It was a little bit difficult to not have my hands in the way, but I did like the ease of me looking in the mirror and making sure that I was always, well, most of the time in frame. Adding in a little bit more of that deep golden here. The last few videos I've been color correcting, and I didn't on this video for some odd reason. So I'm trying to cover those bags under my eyes a little bit better before I add powder. Okay, now I'm using the AOA brightening setting powder that I probably shouldn't have used underneath my eyes because it looked like crepe paper right after, but it did help to also brighten back up my face and get rid of a little bit of that orange tone that my foundation left me with. And now I'm using my Hard Candy Translucent Pressed Powder for the rest of my face to once again try and dull out that orange. Now I'm using my usual contour, which would be Deep Roast or Dark Roast. It'll be down in the description by Coastal Scents, and I'm just contouring my face up. Now I am bronzing with my CoverGirl Queen collection bronzer. Which I probably could have skipped. I'm also adding in a little Tarte blush. I don't have the color, but I will leave it down in the description. It's adding just a little bit more color. Now I'm highlighting with the macaroon highlighter from AOA that I picked up in my Shop Miss A haul. I really like the highlighter. I want to check out a few more of their highlighters. Those are definitely worth it. I say pick them up. Now I'm using my Clinique, I believe, precision liner, just to line my lids. I'm just going ahead and blending those colors, the same colors I used on the outer corners right underneath my eye, just blending those out to give it a little bit of a smoke look, but not too much, because I did end up wearing this out of the house and it was daytime, so can't do too much. Just going ahead once again and blending in another Naked Cosmetics pigment in my tear ducts. I'll put the color down below. I don't have it on me right now. I'm gonna go ahead, use my Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes and line my waterline. Now I'm using the Aqua Lips by Nicka K in a purple color. Shade will be in the description. I really like these Aqua Lips. I picked up a few more after that Bold Blue Lips video. I'll link a card, but I really do like these lip colors. And now I'm using just a nude from the same collection. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Happy Makeup Friday.